In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to Facebook. By the end, you'll have your Facebook page connected to ManyChat so you can start automating messenger conversations and capturing leads without any hassle. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that has admin access to the page you want to connect and that your browser allows pop-ups. This will help the authorization process go smoothly. Start by opening your ManyChat dashboard and heading to the area where you can select a channel. If you aren't already signed in, log into your ManyChat account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to add an account and click the button labeled Add New Account. This tells ManyChat you want to bring a new channel or page into your workspace. Next, choose Facebook Messenger as the channel you want to connect. ManyChat will guide you through Facebook's login and permissions flow. If you see a Facebook window, confirm you're on the correct profile and proceed. When Facebook asks which permissions to grant, leave them enabled. These allow ManyChat to read and send messages on your page's behalf and are required for core features like automation, subscriber management, and growth tools. You'll then see a list of Facebook pages associated with your Facebook profile. Select the page you want to connect to ManyChat. If your page doesn't appear, double-check that you're an admin on that page and that you're logged into the right Facebook account. After choosing the page, ManyChat will pair it with your workspace so messages from that page's messenger inbox can flow through your automations. On the next screen, pick the plan that fits your needs. To get started quickly, click Start with Free Plan. The free plan is great for testing and early automations, and you can upgrade later if you need more contacts or advanced features. Finally, click Let's Start to complete the setup. You'll see a confirmation that the connection is successful. In your ManyChat dashboard, you should now see your Facebook page listed and the Messenger channel marked as connected. That's your signal, everything is ready. If anything doesn't connect right away, refresh the page and try again. Make sure pop-ups aren't blocked, and verify your page role is admin. Once connected, you're all set to build flows, set up keywords, and respond to subscribers through Messenger using ManyChat's tools. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Facebook Messenger connection in ManyChat.